I heard a huge explosion that broke glass 3-4 blocks away. This is a major explosion that just happened right now in Paris, France. Police still are not here. Several casualties. Looks like a car bomb explosion went off on the street of Rue de Trevise. And I don't know what street this is. People crying, screaming, hurt, injured. Oh my God. I think... Oh my goodness. My God. Whoa. Make sure nothing else could fall. Emily, watch out so nothing else could fall. People seriously, severely injured here. Oh my God. Look at this, guys. Emily, put your helmet on. Get over here. There could be debris that could fall down. Oh my God.
Someone dead in there.
Don't look. Casualties confirmed here. Casualties are confirmed here. People have died. Confirmed people have died. But obviously now these are the first 2 police officers on the scene here. Blocks away, 3-4 blocks away, I heard a huge explosion just to do the work that they're doing. They definitely need to clear out the area as fast as they can. Finally, this is the second ambulance that just arrived here. I think the first one was a firefighter truck. I'm sure of where it all happened. Oh my God. Explosions. Wow. I mean, look at these. Holy cow. Obviously, they got the water going right now.